Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we have a totally different video. I just want to share a couple of things that I learned from you this year. There are some things that, you've been giving me the tea through sending me emails and DMs. You can do the same if there's something around your industry that you want to share with me via email or a DM on Instagram. I'm taking a walk. My intention was just to listen to some podcasts, but I was like, okay, since I can't really record at home because it's busy, let me just record now. I hope you get something out of this video. Okay, first up, I want to talk to you about the SAPS, South African Police Services. I did receive an email a few weeks ago. Someone was giving me the tea about the SAPS. The fact that most of the special unit or task force or something, I'm going to paste it somewhere here. They are leaving the force to join private companies. So I thought, okay, let me talk about it now because I can see it on the news. They are talking about it. I'm going to link the video to it. This chat about the SAPS. It's been said that most of the highly trained officers, they are leaving the SAPS due to salaries and stuff. So the private companies, they are paying them better, apparently. Guys, I don't know how you feel about this one. Do you think it's the right move for them? Because now they're going to be working for private companies. So I don't know if it's the right move for them, but the money is good, I'm told. Okay, how many pay slips did I get? A lot. Yeah, I think I can just say a lot. I don't know how many, maybe close to 1,000. I haven't published all of them, but just look out for them in 2024. And which industry participated a lot? It must be tech industry and artisans. Yeah, tech industry and artisans. Those are the people that I really feel they went all in. Like they were sending me a lot of pay slips. 3 pay slips that shocked me, obviously, is the project engineer, the lady that had her MBA and has done her other postgrad in the UK. Definitely, that one shocked me. And then it's the solutions architect guy. Do you remember that guy? Yeah. Yes, solutions architect as well. And the third one was the senior cybersecurity analyst. He did some Cisco certifications, that guy, and he was getting like commission. He worked for a US-based company. So he was getting paid in dollars, but then his payslip obviously was in rands because he needs to do his provisional tax and stuff. And then which industry shocked me the most? I must say, guys, the 2 industries that I was not exposed to was the industry and my artisans. I was not exposed to them. Like I was not really informed or. And guys, there was just a lot that I didn't know about my artisans. And the more I was creating this content and the more people were sharing, I was like, oh, no, So that's one. Another industry that I was surprised by was the insurance. I always knew about insurance, they get paid through their commission, of course, But yeah, those pay slips, they shocked me. The insurance people, those pay slips, they shocked me. I know it depends on the commission and it depends on a lot of things, but I tell you now, they shocked me. They really shocked me. Call center industry as well, I must say, there were quite a few surprising pay slips there. There was one, I can't publish it because the owner asked me to take it down. But there was one from a young lady who was a call center manager. Yes, sis. She was getting around 40,000. She was a manager though. So that also surprised us. If guys, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, guys. You know, YouTube tells me that 70% who watch my channel are not even subscribed, guys. How, guys? Please do subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, you know. Guys, also remember, you can ask me anything. If there's something that you've always wanted to ask regarding the content, nothing personal, please, regarding the content. And guys, another thing that happened to our village was the interviews. Yo, I know, you really surprised me. You really surprised me there, like the reception of that segment. It's coming back in January. I think on the 10th of January, we're going to have the segment again, whereby you're going to have different professionals. So yeah, just don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe for that. Guys, the one interview that shocked me was the engineering lady. The lady that is now in thingy in China. That interview surprised me because I just never thought that's what is happening in the engineering space, you know. There was two guys that were walking towards me, but I know them. They are just farm workers, you know. But you just never know. If they see a phone, you know, they can get ideas, but I don't know. So anyway, but this, I know there were even people who were saying, yeah, I know engineering is not for people who think it's glamorous, you know. It's just for her, in a nutshell. Let me just summarize it for you. It was just not what she thought it would be. Like, it was just not, she just felt like she was not doing the program that she was in because she was in a graduate program. She just felt like it just didn't, it was just not aligned with the curriculum. I don't know, guys, how to explain it, but she just felt like she was not doing what she went to university for. And mind you, she was in a graduate program, you know. So I'm sure it's different for people who are doing something else, you know. I know it's not for everyone. It's not the same for everyone. But that interview, Jay, it just confused me a bit about mechanical engineering. Just do check it out. The law interview, I was not surprised by it. I was just not surprised. I've always known that when it comes to law, it's a bit shaky, especially at the moment. It's not easy to get your articles, but you know what? There are a lot of things that you can do. You can be in compliance. Just check out that video as well. You find out that there's a lot of things. NGO, you can get into the NGO space. There's just a lot that you can do when it comes to law. So I was not surprised by it, you know. I don't know about you guys, but maybe there are salaries or interviews that I've shared, or you are like, oh, okay, this is making me think twice about my career. Please let me know if there is any salary that stood out for you. Guys, it's already 7 p.m. now. But I'm done with my walk. I'm just walking towards home now. But yes, so guys, these two industries, I really need you guys. Just please share some more content with us. Aviation, guys, we haven't really, like, we don't even have a payslip of a pilot, guys. Come on, about aviation, please come through, okay? And also, yeah, accounting I do have, but I still feel like I need more people to participate when it comes to accounting. So accounting, aviation, I don't know what I've left. You can let me know in the comment section if there's an industry that you really want me to cover, you know, that you feel like I haven't covered. I know there's a lot, but for me, what stands out, yeah, accounting, I'm not happy. I would like more, and also aviation. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you probably next year. Bye.